Hey guys, good morning. I am checking out now from this hotel room. Yeah, I paid for this around $23, but this room is all for me because yeah, I actually look for a solo room. So they give me this. And it's not good having this another bed because it feels like there is someone from on the other bed. Yeah. Yeah, and also I don't like the carpet in the room of the hotel because it feels dirty, mate. Yeah, but it's okay, no problem. Okay, did I forget something? So basically, I came here for the purpose of charging all the gadgets and editing, some editing. Yeah, the time now is around 9:50 and the checkout is actually 10 o'clock. I will keep that on, switch this off. Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Check out.
Huh?
Yeah.
Did you smell something funny?
No. Right now or
Right now.
no? Maybe me.
Not you. Before not. Just right now.
Or maybe because they are carrying the use something. Yeah.
Thank you.
What about the $50?
$50?
Yeah.
So that will take, is that an international card or
Local.
Australian? Local card?
Yeah.
It will take 3 days to get back to you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Yeah, right now we are here in Fairmont. Fairmont is a place that is around 5-10 minutes walk to the Sydney CBD, just in there. Yeah, I actually stay in this hotel for one night. I paid $20 because I have discount from the booking site where I used to book. Okay, just behind there's the Sofitel Hotel. Behind there is the Darling Harbour and the Sydney International Convention Center. You're going to find it there if you go straight there. But we're going to go to the Central Station, and basically it is here. This street going straight there is the Sydney Central Station, and then we're going to walk around, and by 2 o'clock we're going back to Port Stephen. I don't exactly know the name of these leaves of this tree. This maybe is the maple leaves, I don't know, but just look at this. It's this shape. This is like the Canadian flag. So is this a maple leaf? I don't know, mate. Maybe. And yeah, that car is noisy, man. And all over the place there are so many trees like that, and all the dry leaves are all over in the street. You see it there. Here is a little cleaner, but on the other side, because there are more on that side. I think when this construction are all done, I think it's a good place to hang. A lot of restaurants are coming soon. Yeah, that is the Market City, Chinatown. Yeah, at the back, because I'm always showing you the front side, but at the back, this is the back. And behind that is this UTS, University of Technology, Sydney. Yeah, and and all over here in Haymarket, Chippendale, there is a building of UTS. Actually, in this building, in this school, this college, UTS, that is where I did my IELTS test. Yeah, I got 6. Look at this. This is under the Chinatown. This is the wet market. Actually, Asian vegetable market. This is where you're going to find it. And you know, those Asian vegetable, they are not available in the Coles or Walmart. They're available only in this place. Yeah, we're not going there too. But I'm hungry. I'm thinking of food court or just McDonald's or KFC. I have nothing to buy in that area. If I have something to buy, that is the microphone, a lapel. Yeah, but they are only available in the photography shop. Okay, we cross. Still red, but people are crossing already. No discipline, Mike. If I am not mistaken, this is the only HSBC bank here in Sydney or in New South Wales area. And you know, they have a promotion on the international debit card that there is no transaction fee overseas or locals. Yeah, nice. That is nice. Yeah, too much water inside there. I don't know for what. And the same again. This is the Queen Victoria building. Until now, I'm still looking for a place to eat. Yeah. This guy is eating here. Looks delicious. It's a bacon, egg, poached egg. Yeah, we are going to H&M. We're going to buy a socks and underwear. Yeah, my one. All those I have are already broken. We are going to McDonald's to eat. Once you enter in the McDonald's, you're going to see the ordering machine. You can order there by yourself. You can pay there by yourself. Or you can go to the cashier and order from there. And then they will give you a ticket, like the receipt. And you just need to wait for your order to be picked up in this station. Yeah, mission accomplished. I got the socks, $15. Yeah, I like the socks here because it's very strong. It lasts longer, man. Central Station, and I just checked what time is the train going back to Hamilton Station, and it says it's 1 o'clock, 1:12 in the afternoon. So I am now going to 7-Eleven with this $1, and I'm going to buy a coffee. Yeah, because you know it is okay to drink coffee in the train. Yeah, we're now in Hamilton Station, Newcastle.